So, if you ever wanted to start your own AI agency but had no idea where to start, this program is for you. We built a complete A to Z program that helps you launch in just 5 days. No tech skills, no coding, no fluff, just a clear path step by step to go from idea to clients. Now, let me guess, you've been watching this AI wave for months now, maybe even a year, and you know there's massive opportunity, but you keep running into walls. So you don't know what to offer, you're not sure how to find clients, and you don't want to spend months learning tech you'll never use. And even worse, you're sick of these 20-hour courses that you never get to finish and just keeps you overwhelmed. And honestly, you're tired of waiting and watching while others move fast. So that's exactly why we created the AI Agency Launch. It's a 5-day program to launch your agency from scratch, and in just 1 week, you'll have a niche, a high-leverage AI offer, a simple backend system, your first funnel and calendar live, and a method to get clients fast, all without needing a team, code, or any experience. So over the next 5 days, here's what we'll do. On day 1, we'll help you choose a niche and AI service. On day 2, we'll package your offer to sell. On day 3, we'll install your agency backend and funnel. On day 4, we will build your client getting system. And on day 5, you'll go live and start booking calls. We'll give you everything you need here, templates, scripts, copy, automations, it's all included. So now just for some quick results here, we have a few beginners selling a simple AI appointment setter for $2,000 a month. Another one landed their first client at $3,500 to automate their lead follow-up, and a third one are building a simple WhatsApp AI agent for their client for $1,000 a month right now. And none of them are really developers, they just follow this plan basically. You might be thinking, can I really become an AI consultant or sell AI solutions even without experience? And yes, you can do that. If you think about it, you don't need to be a developer or really an AI expert at all. You just need to know a little bit more than your clients about certain things. Now, if you think about it, business owners, they do have money, but they do not have time. So your job is to find ways to save them time and make their life easier, and that's it. And even better, right now, businesses are stressing and panicking for not knowing how to implement AI. And that's why now is the time to get in on this. And by the way, to make it clear, no, you're not too late to this either. AI is just getting started and businesses still have no idea how to use it. And they're willing to pay good money for that. Now, worst case, you'll build your agency system in 5 days and you'll have a clear path to follow to get started and remove all the confusion and overwhelm. Or best case, you'll close your first 2 to 3 clients in the next 30 days and start scaling from there. If you're serious about launching something real and you want to move fast without wasting time, click the button below and join in AI Agency Launch now. It's just 5 days, no 20-hour long courses or stories, just a take action and get moving program that focuses on speed and implementation to get you started. And it could change your entire trajectory. Now, let's build this together.